How's it going, everybody? Jamie here. I'm just here at Bilu Cafe in Canggu, and I've been working for about 2 hours. One of my closers has actually collected a payment, which is probably more than the average person makes in a month. I get asked all the time, Jamie, how can I get started? How can I start making money online? What do I need to do to become a digital nomad? And this is the truth that most coaches are never gonna tell you. But here's the thing though, 5 years ago, I was in the exact same position that you're probably in now. Working a corporate job that you hate, clocking in every single day, watching your potential slowly die while you're doing a job that just doesn't fulfill you. 90% of you watching this video are never gonna make money online. It's not because you're not good, it's not because you don't want it hard enough, it's because you're making the same 3 critical mistakes that are keeping you stuck in the same position year after year. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what those 3 mistakes are, and more importantly, the 3 things that you need to do to actually break free. Stick around because this video can literally change your life. Solution number 1, the 90-day commitment rule. Pick one skill, just one. For me, it was paid advertising and artificial intelligence. For you, it can be the same thing. It can be a different one. It really doesn't matter. You just need to focus on one thing that you can consistently deliver and be known for and stick to it. Commit to practicing and reaching out to potential clients for that skill set for the next 90 days. Not learning about it, doing it. Actually reaching out to people, actually getting in front of your target audience, actually offering to perform this service, whether it's for free or a fee. You need practice getting clients, working with clients, making mistakes, and most importantly, getting results. Here's the thing, in the next 90 days, if you actually stick to taking action with one thing, you can actually start bringing in revenue that will continue to pay you for the rest of your life. But with 5 years of research, you'll still be broke and confused in the exact same position because you never took any action. I have students that started out at 0 and are making consistent £3,000 per month, not because they're special or anything, because they started with one skill and they kept on going until they mastered it. Harrison, for example, was able to make $3,700 in 1 week by focusing on reaching out to potential clients consistently on Upwork and providing them a high-ticket paid advertising service. Stop collecting information and start taking action. The market will teach you faster than any course ever will. Solution number 2, the bridge strategy. Don't quit your job tomorrow, that's silly. But at the same time, you shouldn't use your job as an excuse to never start either. Here's what I teach in the Leverage Nomad protocol. You build your remote income while you're working your job, using your job as a safety net while you build your freedom. Work your 9 to 5, spend 2 to 3 hours in the evening investing in learning new skills, finding new clients, performing the service for them. Prove the model works, then once you're making £2,000 to £3,000 a month from a couple clients, then you can leave your job. This way, when you're speaking to potential clients, you're not gonna sound desperate. Desperation pushes away clients. You're gonna be confident, you're gonna be strategic, and you're gonna be speaking from a place of authority. I've had students replace their 9 to 5 income in literally 3 weeks using this strategy. Joe, for example, was making £800 a month as a website designer, and he was able to scale that to 3K a month in literally less than 2 months without needing to take massive risks, but taking calculated ones. Going at it alone. You think that you can figure this out by yourself, that you don't need coaching, you don't need a mentorship program, you think that you could just YouTube your way to success. Here's the reality. I've generated hundreds of thousands of dollars for multiple clients using MetaRad. I've helped multiple students escape their corporate 9 to 5 job and make a remote income doing the same. You think you're gonna figure out in less than 6 months what took me literally 5 years to practice, get better at, and master? That's not confidence, that's arrogance, and it's the thing that's keeping you broke. Every single successful person has either a mentor or a coach. Literally every single one. The fastest way to success is to find someone that's already got the result that you're looking for and just learn from them. But here's the thing though, not all mentorship programs are made equal. The vast majority of them are just handover courses where you go through the videos, get confused, and you don't have any access of support, meaning that they're made for everyone and not that many people get results. What you need is someone that understands your specific situation, someone who's walked your exact path. Someone who understands the cultural barriers, the family pressures, and the unique challenges that you face as a young person that is trying to break out of the corporate world. That's why I created the Leverage Nomad Protocol, for people specifically like us, because generic course information doesn't help for specific problems. Look, I'm going to be real with you. Most of you watching this aren't going to do anything with this information. You're going to watch this video, maybe you'll like it and save it for later, and then you're just going to go back to complaining about your current situation. But for the people who are actually ready to change their life, who are tired of making excuses and are ready to take action, I've got the perfect solution for you. I'm going to open up a few spots for my Leverage Nomad Protocol coaching program. This isn't for everyone. It's designed specifically for people that are aged 21 to 35, that are stuck in a corporate job and are ready to leave, travel, and earn an online income using paid advertising and artificial intelligence. If that sounds like you and you're ready to commit to 90 days of focused action, then click on the link below and let's have a conversation. But understand this, I can't want this more than you do. I can give you the roadmap, the skills, the coaching, and the support, but it's up to you to take that action so that you can get the results. The question is, are you ready to stop researching and start doing? Are you ready to stop playing it safe and start playing to win? Are you ready to stop doing it alone and get the help and support that you need? If the answer to any of those is yes, then I'll see you on the inside. If not, perfectly fine. I'll just see you on my next video asking the same questions that you're asking today. The choice is yours. Choose wisely.